रहीम इंग्लिश पार्ट 1 एंड 2 बेसिक टेंसेस का सेकंड लास्ट लेक्चर प्रॉबेबली एक्टिव टेंसेस 12 आप कंप्लीट कर चुके हैं. ऑल एक्टिव टेंसेस हैव देयर ओन हेल्पिंग वर्ब, फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब, आइडेंटिफिकेशन, everything you people have learnt and noted. Now second last phase in your basic grammar tenses, that is passive voice. Earlier you people have done 12 tenses that were active voice. Now the first thing is what active voice and passive voice is. What's the difference? How can we judge whether it's a active voice test or an passive voice test? Earlier you people have done 12 tenses that were active voice tenses, all of them. Definitely all these 12 tenses start from subject and ends with object. Now passive voice, grammatically identification will be remain the same. At the end of each sentence we will be able to judge what tense is this. In active voice tenses we have subject at the start, at the beginning of a sentence. Every sentence started from a subject in active voice. Now passive voice, like in Urdu sentence we have already done. हम खाना पकाते हैं. ते हैं is an open sign of present indefinite. ते हैं is an open sign of a present indefinite. रहा है is an open sign of present continuous. चुका है again present perfect. First you people will have to remember active voice were 12 tenses and passive voice only 8. Active voice 12 tenses, passive voice 8. First two continuous, you people will have to remember no future continuous in passive voice tenses. Only initial two continuous, all three perfect, all three indefinite. Present perfect, past perfect, future perfect. This will be a trial for you people. You will have to judge. Now we have two present perfect tenses. One is active voice, the other is passive voice. You will have to judge before translation either it's passive voice or active voice. Three indefinite also. Present indefinite, past and future indefinite. Now listen, two continuous, three perfect, three indefinite. 3 plus 3 6 plus 2 8. We don't have perfect continuous tenses in passive voice. 3 of them and 1 future continuous. 4 tenses are not included in passive voice, only 8 tenses. Now the simple thing is you people will have to learn the difference, identification, which tense is passive voice, which tense is active voice. In all active voice tenses we have subject, helping verb, verb and object. Like here in Urdu sentence हम खाना पकाते हैं, we have a subject here. Tense period will remain the same. Like here ते हैं, it's present indefinite. If we have here रहे हैं, that will be present continuous. If we have here हम खाना पका चुके हैं, that will be present perfect. Now this present indefinite was in active voice, that we have already done. This second Urdu sentence is खाना पकाया जाता है. Same present indefinite but passive voice. Now the difference between both these tenses is only subject. In active voice we have subject here. In passive voice we don't have subject. Obviously it means when we don't have subject in a sentence, that will be a passive voice sentence, no doubt. But here again in third sentence, in this Urdu sentence, खाना हमसे पकाया जाता है, ता है, again present indefinite, but again passive voice, but we have subject here. Now the difference is we don't have subject at the start of a sentence. Now simple identification is this in Urdu point of view. If you don't have subject, if you people don't have subject at the beginning of a sentence, it will be necessarily a passive voice tense. In Urdu view, अगर उर्दू फ़िक्रे के शुरू में, like here in the start of both these Urdu sentences, अगर उर्दू फ़िक्रे के शुरू में subject ना हो तो वो passive voice है. Here we don't have subject at the start of a sentence. Here we don't have subject at the start of a, no doubt we have subject in the middle of sentence, but you people will have to judge whether the subject is in the beginning or not. Here the subject is here in the beginning of a sentence, that is active voice. Here in both these tenses we don't have subject at the beginning of a sentence, that will be passive voice in every condition. Now you people have done all these 12 tenses active voice. View in 4 words. These 12 active voice tenses started from subject, helping verb, verb and object. No doubt, same 4 words here also in active voice. But the difference is every passive voice sentence, all of them, all 8 tenses will be started from object, no subject. Subject we will use at the end of a sentence. First of all, you people will have to find object. Object is again easy to find in a sentence. Object, then helping verb. If you people remember, we have used different helping verbs in all these 12 tenses. Here in 8 tenses, these 8 tenses have their own helping verbs. We will discuss. Next, verb. One thing is necessary in helping verb here. In present indefinite and past indefinite, we don't have use any helping verb. Like here, the important note. Helping verb is necessary in every passive voice. Here, in present indefinite, active voice. Past indefinite, active voice. We don't have use any helping verb, but the same tense, present indefinite and past indefinite, must have their own helping verbs in passive voice. Helping verb is necessary in every passive voice tense. Like here we have object in the beginning, helping verb, verb and subject. Subject will be used according to sentence, but it will be used at the end of a sentence. 2 important things you will have to remember, like helping verb and verb. We have 8 passive voice tenses. All of them have their own helping verbs necessarily. Helping verb is necessary in every passive voice and the form of verb. If you remember, we people have used different forms of verb in 12 active voice tenses. Here in 3 continuous tenses, we people have used gerund form, first form plus ing, fourth form. In perfect, all perfect tenses, in active voice, we have used third form. In present indefinite, past indefinite, future indefinite, we have used verb in different forms. Perfect continuous, again gerund form. It means we have used form, we have used verb in different forms, in different tenses. But here in passive voice, all 8 passive voice tenses will have a similar form, third form. Verb will be used in third form in all passive voice tenses, whether it's continuous or perfect or indefinite. All of them have third form. Verb will be used in third form. Hopefully, inshallah, we will finish all these 8 passive voice tenses in upcoming lecture. And the important thing is you will have to remember the difference. Don't make it mix or confuse. We have completed our passive voice tenses that were altogether much more easier and important. If you people are able to learn these passive voice tenses, it will be easier for you people. Thank you.